Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today we'll begin with our book, that is Knowledge World of Class 4 by Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone, today we'll begin with our chapter number 13 and the name of the chapter is Magical Mountains. So, mountains are very beautiful and they are the most beautiful landforms of the earth. Our planet is adorned with many majestic mountain ranges. How well do you know them? Answer these questions and find out for yourselves. So, in this chapter, we are going to study about various mountain ranges. You know, our planet Earth is adorned by various mountains, various hills, and which is the highest mountain, which is the highest range? That is Mount Everest. So, let's now begin with some of these beautiful mountains. This is the image of Andes. This is the range Mount Kilimanjaro. Okay, let's now begin with the questions. The first question is that name the longest mountain range in the world, and the answer for this question is Andes. Then the second question is which mountain in Japan is held sacred by the people, and the answer is Mount Fuji, F-U-J-I, Mount Fuji. The third question is which mountain range goes through Switzerland, and the name of this mountain range is the Alps, A-L-P-S, Alps. Next, we have the fourth question. Name the Himalayan mountain peak which can be seen in Sikkim, and the answer is Kanchenjunga. Next, name the highest mountain peak in the African continent, and the answer for this question is Urals, U-R-A-L-S. I will write again this for you, U-R-A-L-S, the Urals. The next, sixth question, name the mountain range which separates Europe and Asia, and the answer is Mount Kilimanjaro. Next, we have the seventh question, which is India's oldest mountain range, and the answer is the Aravalli range. Eighth question, in which Indian mountain range is Pachmarhi situated, and the answer is Satpura mountain range. Then we have the ninth question, which is the highest mountain in America and also the highest one outside Asia, and the answer is Aconcagua mountain. Then the last question is name the highest mountain peak in the continent of North America, and the answer is Mount McKinley. Now these were the answers for the respective questions. Let's now do the your answer please part. The your answer please states that name the highest mountain peak in India, and you have to answer this question and write the answer here. Next we have the quick fact, and it says that alpine meadows which sprout highly nutritious plants and grass only for a few months in a year give that special quality to Swiss chocolate as cows graze in them. Now why the Swiss chocolates are very tasty? Because cows graze on which plants? They graze on the alpine meadows. Okay, they sprout nutritious plants and grass. So this was about the quick fact. I hope you have understood the various questions and with their answers. So this was all about the chapter. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned for the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.